Good afternoon. So today I just had my class for 3 hours police lesson and I'm already hungry. It's a bit chilly today. It's sunny but chilly. So yeah, it's 12:01, so it's lunchtime and I'll show you around. Actually behind this building is my apartment, and yeah, behind this is my favorite bapcha where I usually go for the milk bar. So I'll show you what we're gonna have for lunch. So let's go. Apartment is around there. You see that one behind is the gas station, and that's the Biodronka, and then in the middle is the park. So yeah, and now we will go to the milk bar there where I usually have a food, lunch, or breakfast sometimes. So yeah, menu and the bapcha's food. And this is like Polish traditional warung normally, and that's the menu. And yeah, let's see what we're gonna have for today. Gula soba zabulki and also kompot. Looks like this. You know that kompot is my favorite fruit juice and it's very famous in Poland. And let's see how it is, the bulki. And the place, look at like this. You see, it's very nice tradition family, tradicja rodzina, Polish traditional family. If you show like this, it's very nice. Ulica Kościelna. So basically gulas is just like this, many types of the meat and herbs, and also this one is the vegetable with the little bit spicy. So this is my taste, I think. Basically from Central Europe, it's famous also in Hungary and in Poland. And whenever you eat, you mostly eat with a bulki or the bread like this. And the most important thing is that if you think about the Polish food, is always plain, bland and tasteless, but this one is very tasty with the herbs. I will try. You have to get the bread, the bulki, and then you dip it like this. Bardzo polecam. 20 zloty for all. So good. It was my lunch today. I'm very full. It's very huge portion. One thing about the food here in Poland is the portion is huge. Like I can eat it for the 2 times or 3 times. So now it's time to walk and explore and burn the calories. So yeah. Let's go that way. So if you remember about this kościoł or the church, so this street is called Kościelna Streets, and everywhere around here there are so many nice restaurants. So yeah, let's go there. If you remember about this area is Rynek Jeziczki. I always hang out here, but today we are not going here, but we will go straight there to the Palmiernia area. But we are not going to Palmiernia, but we are going to different place. So yeah, let's go. You know, like even like this morning discussion with my teachers, actually because we always have like speaking practice and everything, we talk about house life. And yeah, I explained to my teacher that I'm living in Jezice area and I'm going to Rynek to shopping, and then one thing that's surprising me, my teacher told me that Winnie, in Rynek Jeziczki, especially in Jezice area long time ago, let's say like in 70s or 80s, it's just like the dark area, which means so many crimes, so many bad things happening. So one thing that I realized is that I know that by reading the history and everything, past time was very dark in Poland. Like that's why many of Polish people migrates to America, to Australia, and to any other continents. And even my husband, when the first time he met me, and then yeah, he told me that why I have to go back to Poland because it's nothing there. So Damian was used to live in UK. So after he graduated from high school, he moved to UK and he works there. And after that, we met in Malaysia. and then we used to live in Bali for 8 years, 8-9 years, something like that. So yeah, now he's back again in Poland. And then many people, asking him like, why you go back? What's the point? Why did you, what you looking for here? So one thing that my husband see and my husband experience is that Poland in general is getting better and better if you compare with the past. Okay, we are not talking about the politics, we are not politician, and we are not interested about in politics, but in general economy and many things is getting better and better, and we hope so globally everything will be better. So that's my personal opinion so far. Still remember about this red building, and then Biodronka in front of me, and that's over there actually the caviarnya, palmiernya, and then the tropical palm house. We are not going there today, but we will go somewhere later to the right. So it's actually, this one is the short navigation. So we arrived in the Ulica Ulanska Street Ulanska, and in front of me is the Ulan Brova restaurant. Unfortunately still closed. I think that opened at 12 or something. So this one Ulan area is considered as like one place for everything: shopping, cafe, restaurant. You see there are so many seats outside, and look at that one, and so many places to eat, but unfortunately I think still closed. But look at this building, the architecture. So I'm looking for the place to have a coffee. Wow, this Ulan Browar is so big, huge restaurant, but unfortunately still closed. Let's go. But I really like the architecture. Just like this, there are so many things like a coffee shop, barber, bazaar, saloon. So I think that we will go to the coffee shop. Jesus, big loud bike. Hate it. Okay, so I think that we will have a coffee somewhere, and I think that during the summertime we'll be more and more busy. Let's go. Right, it's coffee o'clock. I buy a cappuccino and a cake, and this one is actually how it looks inside. Looks at very nice gallery. So this is my coffee and my cake, and I really like the place inside. You see people working there, having a coffee, and there in the corner also library. So we will explore more later. But look at this sitting, is so cute. A nice coffee shop. Now let's stroll around inside the Ulan Browar. Very nice fancy place, just like a small mini shop, all chic fragrance of Dubai. Interesting. Let's go out. Oh, fancy, eh? Oh, look at that building outside. Very nice. Wow, it's called City Park Poznan. Basically, inside there are coffee shop, fragrance shop, salon like this one, barber, and look at this one, fancy, and bazaar, moda, restaurants, and many things, and Kwiatchiarnia, which is a flower shop. Wow. I think this one is the most luxurious complex in Poznan. And look at this one, this building. Basically, there are so many fancy restaurants. Look at this one, like this Swan restaurant, Cucina, their Spanish restaurant. Nice. Let's explore more. Look at this architecture, red brick building. This one I think very fancy apartment, Cardimed. I think this one a hospital, Swan restaurant, Cucina. Oh, look at the flowers here. Look. Wow. Nice. Wow, so actually here is one stop shopping center, fancy cafe, restaurant, and look at this bridge. Ah, amazing. Wow, look at this one, Quattrop PP. This one I think another restaurant. Nice. Red carpet though. This red building architecture. So many nice cafe. Oh la la. They have a crystal casino here. Look. Oh, fancy. But I think it's still closed. Still morning time. Ooh. Look at this hit casino. Even there is a casino inside. So fancy. Look at this bridge. No, the stairs. Awesome. Wow. So in front of me is the Michael Strom investment. Wow. You see? Poland is not always old building and everything, but I found something fancy here. Cool. This is what I discovered so far. You know, if you are willing to go to the place which is fancy, all inclusive, I mean surround, you know, like there is a casino, nice coffee shop, a nice shopping center, many a fancy restaurant, you can go here in Ulanska Street, which is Ulan Browar. So just like behind me, this one casino, I didn't know that this place existed here. There is even a fancy casino here. Wow. In front of me, wow, this one is the City Park Resident Hotel, and down there also casino. And here I think this one is the Tesla charger. So if you drive Tesla and you need to charge your car, you can go here just like this. Clear view. So that's another hotel, restaurant. This one is the Sombrero Cervone Sembrore Mexican restaurant. And this one is the Swan restaurant. And there Cucina Italian restaurant. So that's inside this building is so many shopping center, barber salon, so many things. In front of me is the Indian stick. So if you are stick lover and you want to have a very nice good quality stick, I think that's place you can go there. So I'll show you surround. This is basically how it is, the complex of the Ulanska Browar. Nice. Here also Institute of the Law. Oh, there is a uni even here. Nice. Nice building. I'll show you this place in front of me. Wow, it's so fancy. I think that's apartment or something like that. Cool, yeah. Wow, very nice garden, and then surrounded by the very nice apartment building. Amazing. Look at this red brick building with the green plants. Oh, this one is office. Ulanska U5 office. Nice. One of me is the LuxMed. Actually, Damian once told me that LuxMed is a very fancy hospital in Poland. And look at this area. This one is another Italian restaurant and also another shop. So yeah, fancy. This is a very huge complex. Start from there, right, and then going there in the corner. Basically, it's very interesting complex. Like one stop for everything. It's like one, you stay here, everything is here. Hospital, cafe, restaurant, casino, barber, salon, I don't know, coffee shop, so many things. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Now it's time to go home. Look at this building. This is a very historical building, Poznan historic. So if you Google Translate that one, so long time ago this place is just like the place for the, you know, like all the horses here, they are train and have fun. They said from that translation. This is 700 konmi. Kon means horses. This is their house long time ago. Now it's gonna be a brand new apartment, something like that. So see, they slowly destruct the old building and it's gonna be a brand new apartment, just like this.